Let's talk gambling and let's talk gaming stocks because they boomed today, and it's not just for one particular reason, but there was some news out of China on the space. Get right now to Contessa Big Money Brewer for the details.
I love
Contessa,
my new
name. Okay?
Yes, I love it. I'm gonna trademark it. I'm gonna use it. Thank you, Sully. That report out of Macao is a bit of a nothing burger that managed to give these Macao casinos a nice little lift today. It presents the public opinion over the concession renewal process, the permitting process that allows these casinos to operate. Basically, the commentary indicates the public wants more government oversight, more local control, but largely for things to remain status quo. This does not dictate what will happen. It's just how the people feel. Bernstein's analysts predict the government may move to amend the gaming law in January. That will be a big deal. That starts the process for new concessions. They have to finish that by June. Other news here, a Macau executive who reportedly said publicly that the bridge between Hong Kong and Macau could open within the next week to limited visitors. COVID is still this big near-term hurdle for a Vegas-style rebound in Macau. One other piece of gaming news I want to point out here, Brian. Scientific Games ended the day up 9% on news. It will not complete the full acquisition for the rest of SciPlay. This was part of its strategy to amp up its digital gaming offerings. It already owns 81% of that company. Reportedly, SciPlay's board did not like the all-stock offer as it stood. Scientific Games reportedly was not interested in negotiating. SciPlay down 13%. You know, sometimes you got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them.
You should put that into a song. Those are some good lines, Contessa.
I would, but the lawyers get mad at me if I try to sing it, so I just let it alone.
There you go. Good stuff. Contessa Brewer, we appreciate it as always, my friend. Thank you. That's why Contessa's the best. She literally says, guys, that the note is a nothing burger, but a lot of these stocks have done very, very well. Let's go around the horn now and trade this. Steve Grasso, kick it off. I mean, listen, to be fair, the casino names rose the same as the hotels and the airlines today. Everybody bought anything having to do with people going somewhere and spending some coin.
Do you think the recovery is going to happen faster in Macau or faster in Vegas? I'm of the belief that it'll happen faster in Vegas. I believe that people in the States that have never been to Vegas are more likely to be going to Vegas. They want to spice up a little bit of their vacation time. MGM is up 45% year to date. Las Vegas Sands, that used to be my favorite name there, is down 35% year to date. I'd stay here. I'd stay local. I'd stay with MGM.
Yeah. But, Tim, we got to be careful, right? China's been going after this COVID zero policy, and, man, when they shut things down, they shut them down.
Look, it's in the price, Brian. I mean, these things, price to EBITDA, however you want to look, sorry, EV, EBITDA to earnings, however you want to look at this, have been cut in half. They're trading, roughly 8-9 times from 17-18 times. I think you're in the price. I think the renewal process is to watch, but probably overdone. Travel mobility, I think, is coming back, and I'm long Las Vegas Sands.
Bonwin, what about you? Any take on the casino names?
Yeah, MGM as well. It's expensive. There's no doubt about that. But if you look at EV, EBITDA, or debt balances, anything of that nature, those credit metrics typically point to MGM for me. So I'm with Grasso on this one.